Alright, so make sure your car is jacked up all the way. It's nice and even. Make sure you press on each corner, shake it, make sure it's not going to fall down. Have 4 jack stands so the car's completely off the ground. Come back here and you'll see right in the middle of the screen that little gray dipstick. We're going to pull that out. Go. I can see the hole. I'll put this to the side and go underneath the car and take off the T70 Torx bolts. Alright, so underneath the transmission, you can see the bolt right here. I just have a breaker bar and just gonna kind of crank at it, loosen it, and drain it out. It. All these wussies can't crack a bolt. That was really easy. Just make sure you got your pan underneath. Just gonna take it easy. So this has been draining for about 10 minutes. It's just trickling out. I'm fine with that. Just move this away a little bit. I'll tell you what, I'm kind of sketched out not changing this gasket, but it didn't even come off, so fuck it. So now this is in. I'll move this out of the way. Torque wrench, and we're going to torque it down to 55 foot-pounds. That's it. If you want, you can clean this off. I'm good with that. It's a car. It's fine. Front's been changed out. I filled it up 3.5 quarts. So now we have to take off the fill, and then I'll take out the drain. This is done, so if you don't take this one out first and then you take this off, it's just going to glug out. It just comes out easier. So take this one off, just use your breaker bar and shove it right in there and get it done. That one's out. Now we're going to do the bottom one. I can do it by hand. There she goes. I'll let this drain out, shouldn't take too long. Then we'll put the drain, clean the drain plug up, plug it back in, and then we have to pump the gear oil into this top fill port. Now just get your Torx wrench, set to 35 pounds. This is just dripping a little bit, but it's not a big deal. We're going to put this back in by hand. torque down. Now we're gonna get our little pump. It's only $8 on Amazon. And we're just gonna pump it up. That's it. Both are at 35, filled up. Wipe off any extra oil and run it and see if it leaks or do whatever the hell you want. I'm gonna run it, see how it